Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Circle Vape, full guide. Focus on safety first. Do not build devices, use certified products, and follow local laws. If you are curious about customization, prefer manufacturer accessories and authorized repair services. Prioritize battery safety, proper charging, and quality e-liquids from reputable vendors. This approach protects your health and reduces fire and poisoning risks while keeping you within the law. Handle vape products like sensitive electronics and medicines with steady care and attention. Charge batteries on non-flammable surfaces, never overnight or unattended, and stop any use if the device gets hot or damaged. Keep liquids sealed and clearly labeled, and never mix unverified ingredients. When in doubt, contact the manufacturer or a licensed technician for repairs. These simple steps protect your safety and extend the life of your device. If you choose to vape, harm reduction matters. Prefer lower nicotine concentrations and avoid unknown additives. Talk with a healthcare professional for strategies to quit or taper nicotine use if you have concerns. Learn basic first aid for accidental ingestion and battery incidents, and keep emergency contacts handy. Being informed can lower health risks and prepare you to respond calmly to problems, keeping you and those around you safer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.